AI is revolutionizing the field of mental health by providing innovative tools and solutions to improve diagnosis, treatment, and support for individuals facing mental health challenges. Through advanced algorithms and data analysis, AI is enhancing the way mental health care is delivered, making it more accessible, personalized, and effective. One key application of AI in mental health is in early detection and diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze large datasets, including patient records, genetic information, and behavioral patterns, to identify potential risk factors and indicators of mental health conditions. This enables clinicians to intervene early, provide timely support, and improve treatment outcomes. AI-powered virtual mental health assistants are another important development in the field. These intelligent chatbots and virtual companions can engage in conversations with individuals, providing emotional support, offering coping strategies, and even delivering cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, exercises. They can be available 24/7, providing a valuable resource for individuals in need of immediate assistance. Furthermore, AI enables personalized treatment plans for individuals with mental health conditions. Machine learning algorithms can analyze patient data, including symptoms, treatment history, and genetic factors, to recommend tailored interventions and therapies. This personalized approach improves treatment effectiveness and patient outcomes. Data-driven insights are also transforming mental health research. AI algorithms can analyze large-scale datasets, including social media posts, online forums, and electronic health records, to identify patterns and trends in mental health. These insights contribute to a better understanding of mental health conditions, risk factors, and potential interventions. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in AI applications in mental health. Safeguarding patient privacy and ensuring data security are paramount. AI systems must be designed with robust privacy protocols and comply with ethical guidelines to protect patient information and maintain confidentiality. In our upcoming videos, we will explore specific AI technologies and advancements in mental health, including emotion recognition, digital therapeutics, and predictive modeling. AI has the potential to transform mental health care, providing personalized support, improving access to services, and ultimately enhancing the well-being of individuals worldwide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI in various domains.